Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can wrap text around a circle in Lightburn. Of course, you want to first import or create your text, and now we are going to use the Eclipse tool in order to actually create our circle. And basically from here, I'm just going to change the color of this specific tool into something like a yellow or a red object. Now, I did this because I want to actually separate layers in order for me to adjust them accordingly or manually. So from here, I have the ability to set my text into something like fill and my circle into a line. So from there, let's go ahead and simply adjust our text accordingly. And basically right after, you just want to press the pointer button, hold Control on your keyboard. That will allow us to select multiple objects. And then you want to press the click and drag it over to both objects. Right click on it, click on the apply path to text, and it will actually wrap our text around the circle right here. Now you can manually adjust the circle if you want to by simply pressing on it. And then from here, I want to simply make them a little bit closer, and of course, we can then apply some rotations if we want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.